In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the E Melodic Minor Scale, still part of the relative minor for the G major scale, meaning that we'll be using only one accidental, the F sharp. But since we are playing the melodic, we need to remember the 6th and 7th degrees are raised ascending, meaning that we'll play C sharp and D sharp additionally. And when we descend, we'll return those to their original pitches. So it will become C natural and D natural, and then just having the F sharp, observing the original key signature. Before we start, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe if you are new, and check that bell notification for any future videos coming your way. We're going to start with our right hand first, 1 octave. Quite easy, just remember standard scale, and then the 6th and 7th are raised. Group of 2 black keys are then used, going up, and none coming down, only the F sharp. Left hand. 2 black keys, no black keys, except the F sharp. Doing this hands together. Moving on to 2 octaves, we'll be copying and pasting those fingering. Right hand first. Left hand. Hands together. Since we are doing the Hanon exercises, we'll be playing this for 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. At the end of the exercise, we have the cadential progression. Again, optional, but still very, very good to learn nonetheless. Starting on our E's at the bottom, the left is going to come up to A. We're going to have in the right F sharp, C, and E. Left's going to move up to B. And then in the right, we're going to have G, B, and E. Finally, we're going to jump all the way down to B. And we're going to have D sharp, A, B, and F sharp in the right. Inside of the keys, following by E in the left, E, G, B, and E in the right. To end off the E Melodic Minor Scale's cadential progression. Thanks again for watching and happy practicing.